put on the condenser. We got this one running over here. Shaking. So I'm in the shop, and today we're going to be testing out these two AC units that I believe someone is picking up in the building. Someone already said they wanted these or something, so my boss just has me testing them out to make sure they work. Yeah, just real funny. This is a sign from the sidewalk where we're painting and priming, and looks like the sun is trying to come out today. It's going to be really humid, 81 degrees out, so it's real humid in the shop. But we're going to try this guy out first. This is a Kenmore 8000 BTU. I'm not sure what year it's from. I want to say mid 2000s. Blue coil, you know, blue coils didn't come around until 2008, so I bet you this unit is from around 2008, 2009. Here's some of the information. Model 580815. Let me guess, 2008, January 5th. Just a guess. R22, still has R22. So let's turn it on here. We'll do, oh, there goes the compressor. I want to get on fan, but we'll get it on cool. You can smell the paint thinner. Coil's a little beat up. Maybe can get some info on the compressor here. Can't see anything. I would be able to see a sticker, but the sticker might be on the other side for the compressor. Check temps. 71 going in. Not too great so far. I mean, I can feel it getting colder, but we're gonna have to let it run a little bit. Check the temp on the back here. 79 on the condenser coil. Alright, I'll be back when I'll let it go a little further. Alright, so I'm back. I had to put it down to 60 because the compressor went off. Doing much better now. Got 67 going in. I got 55, 53. More than the 10-degree split. We're cooling here. We're definitely cooling. Let me check the back now. Condenser side, it's blowing out hot. We have 86. Check that again because I had 87 before. 92 now, alright. Return temperature. 53, 54. It's working. I'm happy with the 50s. I'm very happy with that. Yep, 49, 48, there we go. Yep, that's good. Almost a 20-degree split now between return and supply. That's great. 62 going in. This is not a big room. So, then I got this one over here next to try. So, let's see. Fan speed. Let's put it on low. You can hear the compressor even more now. Build up the head pressure a little bit. $93. It's really nice. It smells, but I'm gonna clean it out a little bit. It's definitely warmer in the shop than 60. It's about 70 in the shop. Yeah, it's about 70. I like that. Wish I could put a window in the AC here. I mean, wow, I wish I could put a window in the AC. Yeah, it's gonna work out real well. Oh God, Michael, you're so stupid sometimes. I wish I could put an AC in the window. That's what I meant to say. But, not allowed to, unfortunately. Believe it or not. That's all I got to say about that. Hey man, this unit's doing really well. This baby's cooling. 97. Yeah, this is really doing well. This unit's cooling. Alright, so next we will try this one. Okay, so this is a Whirlpool. Definitely from the mid-2000s. The sticker's missing, so I don't have any information. There's no filter in it. Definitely R22 unit. Here's some information up here. Oh, it's here. Okay. 6,000 BTU. R22. Design pressure. Model off this. Oh, there's the manufacturing date. Oh, 1999. Look at that. So this is a 1999. Little baby Whirlpool from 1999. Okay, let's turn it on here. Fan. Okay. Little fan. Turn it on. Oh, they have a medium cool and high cool. That's it. Doing medium cool. I love these old dials. So I think that's from 2008, and this is from 1999. Whirlpool made good units. I never owned one, but I remember Whirlpool a lot. Alright, so where's my temperature gun? Oh. Let's check. 71. It's gonna take a while. So I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm back after a few minutes. This unit actually scared me for a second because I saw that. Where was it? It was, yeah, it was right there. I was like, what the hell? I thought there was no gas in it, but then I realized that the copper row is behind that fake row, which you can see right there. So that's what I was seeing. So it does have some gas in it. It is working. Taking a while though. Got 84 on the condenser. 86. I have 50s here. 57, 56. It might be a tad bit low on gas though. It's not really performing as I'd expect, so it definitely doesn't have that much gas. But let's get a reading right off the evaporator going in. Reading up there. Yeah. The bottom. It's cold, but I think this unit is low on gas. It's definitely not as cold as the Kenmore. And this has been running for about 4 or 5 minutes now. There I'm getting 52, 51, 50, 49. So, you know, it is cooling, but it could be cooling a lot better than it is. I'm gonna let it run some more and we'll see what happens. Okay, so the unit is definitely cooling now. I got 47, and it feels pretty cold. So this unit's still good. I put it on low fan. Like 45 on the coil there. And again, it's what I feel coming out feels really nice. I mean, then again, it is from 1999, so depending on how it's ran, you know, if it's run has a lot of hours on it, you know, it might be a little low on refrigerant, but it's still cooling. It's definitely still cooling. So this unit's good too, and I like the grill design on the Whirlpool. I like the way the compressor sounds now. Let's do another reading on an evaporator coil. It's definitely putting out heat. 88. 91. Yeah. It's working. 92. 93. I'm going to straighten out these fins as well. I got a fin comb in my my tool bag over there. But yeah, so they're both working pretty good. This one just took a little longer, but it's still working really good, and I'm pleased with both of them. So that concludes testing of both units, the 1999 Whirlpool and I believe 2008 Kenmore. Thank you for watching, guys. Mike out.